This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware that is called KekPop. KekPop is its name. KekPop is ransomware that encrypts files and also renames them after the encryption is successful. It also demands payment for the file decryption. It creates a special readme.html file that contains payment information. As I have said, KekPop renames files by appending the special KekPop extension to file names, replacing the original name with a string of random characters, and appending random characters to the original file extension. So, as you see, before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open any files without troubles. But because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this particular KekPop ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Of course, the fact that this system became the part of your computer means that it was a poor protection of your computer by that security software. At the lapse of some time, you will discover that something bad has happened with your files and that you cannot use your data anymore. So the pop-up tells us that we need to pay the ransom for the file restoration. It also, for some reasons, replaces your left and right mouse key. At least in my case, this happens. So the right key of the mouse becomes the left key. Well, that is pretty surprising to me. So the message says that your files are encrypted by KekPop, and then it also demands paying the ransom in the amount of $500 American. To close this window, I need to use the right button of my mouse. And I also need to close some other windows generated by this ransomware with the right mouse of the computer. So it might take some time until they all get closed. Now, as I said, it might require some more additional time to make it possible. Anyway, the ransomware tells the victims that a special ransom needs to be paid for the file restoration, but paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files will be restored. And this is the demonstration of what happens with the file. When you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the KekPop extension. I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this may be simply the waste of your money. Now, to remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then start researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and elimination of any other malware on your computer. So the antivirus database should definitely be properly updated. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is a part of the premium license, and it allows you to add one or several folders on your system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait a little bit, I guess, until the scanning is fully completed to see the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. In the summary, you'll be able to know the exact location of these threats, and I strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure and protected.